today's video, I'll show you how to customize templates for different meeting types in Granola AI. First, open your Granola app. Next, open the note where you want to apply a template. You can select a pre-made template by clicking the Enhanced Notes icon to open the template menu after your notes are generated. When you select a template, Granola will regenerate your notes using that format. Choose a template from the suggestions, or click All Templates to view all available options. Scroll down, select the template you like, and click Apply Template. Your notes will then regenerate using the new template. If you prefer, you can also create your own custom template. Click the Enhanced Notes icon again, then select New Template. Start by entering a title for your template. You can change the icon by clicking it and selecting a new one. You can also change the icon's background color by choosing from the available options. Next, enter the meeting context. This should describe what the meeting is about and your goal for it. Type or paste this information into the box provided. Now you can add sections. Enter a section title and instructions for Granola to follow. You can repeat the same steps to add more sections. If you want to add another section, click Add Section at the bottom, then enter the title and instructions again. Once everything looks good, click Apply Template, and Granola will automatically start generating your notes based on your custom template. And that's it! That's how you customize templates for your meeting types in Granola AI.